Hello friends, welcome to Spandan Learning. Today in this video we will make Power Rangers Samurai morpher. I have made this from cardboard. Let's see how to make this. Samuraizer! Ha! Go Samurai! Ha!
So first take two cardboard pieces like this and two big cardboard strip and two small cardboard strip, and now take the cardboard strips, take one like this and two here and paste it like this, and now I have made an electric circuit. In this circuit there are wires and LED and a switch, and when I will on the switch the LED will glow. Now I am going to paste this circuit here like this, and now paste this piece of cardboard here and this strip of cardboard here. Now take a thin cardboard strip like this and now make a roll of it like this. You can make a roll from paper also. Now take one more strip of cardboard, thin strip or paper, and paste it like this, and now make two rolls from cardboard like this, and now fix this here like this, and now paste this here like this. So now I have pasted this cardboard strip here like this. So from this our morpher can get open and close easily. Take a cardboard strip like this and paste it here like this, and now paste a cardboard strip like this here on both sides here also. Now take two thick paper and paste it like this on both sides. Cover the opening of this like this, and now I am going to paste white paper on the whole morpher so it can become strong, plus I can paint it easily. Draw designs on morpher like this, and now let's paint it. I have painted the whole morpher, and by referring the original Samuraizer, paste a design like this, or you can draw also. And now print image of a samurai morpher like this and paste it here like this. So our samurai morpher is ready. Samuraizer! Ha! Go Samurai! Ha! I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss my new videos update. Bye!